Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Shoes Collection. So how are you my friends, my dear subscribers and my beautiful viewers? I hope that you will watch shoes ideas every day on my channel. Buy shoes or follow the trend, as till now I have shared many shoes video with you. In the last video I have shared different shoes designs. In all the designs I have shared different shoes designs ideas. I hope you will like my video and subscribe to the channel. Even if you have not done so, please do, because if you want to stay in the fashion trend and want to keep the fashion community, you can take many ideas from my channel. This channel is all about footwear, shoes designs, ideas. Footwear helps our personality to a great extent in shaping our fashion. Many people do not have the knowledge to choose fashion footwears or shoes because they do not follow any fashion channel. They do not follow the trend and they make fun of themselves because of their bad fashion. You can buy these shoes online or offline for anywhere, any marketplaces, any market and online websites. But before buying the shoes, check everything carefully to avoid getting scammed online. Do not click on any fake link and do not share your information with anyone. Or at the time of buying shoes, choose the size, color, or whether the shoes are comfortable or not. Or they choose the shoes but by looking at their design or color, or they do not immediately think whether they are comfortable, soft, or just like them, not taking like that at all. If you do not pay attention to the stones while buying shoes, they can bite your shoes, which can cause pain in your feet. Therefore, while buying shoes, it is important to check the material and keep in mind its softness. I hope you would like my information or to guide every subscriber. My aim is to give correct information to every viewer because I don't want to make the same mistake while wearing shoes or feel bad. Then you can also do it because you are my subscriber, my viewers, and I consider it my job to take care of your preference. So only choose the right shoes before purchasing. Check the shoes material, check the shoes softness, comfortable, and choose everything for footwear because the footwear choose right shoes is very important to your lifestyle. That's why choose a very comfortable, soft fabric material, and always keep in mind that choose the shoes you have. It's a good material, and shoes you have choose to very comfortable. If you are choose wrong shoes, so you can pain and shoe bite in your feet. Don't choose wrong shoes, wrong footwear. Don't select any wrong footwear to your feet. I hope you are a fashion lover, footwear lover, shoes lover. That's why you are watching this video. I am a very big fan of shoes and footwear collection. I wear very comfortable shoes, very soft designs, and when I purchasing the shoes, I check the material of shoes and their softness and their comfortability. I have checked very carefully because it's of my footwear, so that's why I check the material and comfortability and the softness of footwear. So if you buying footwear, that you have check all these things. So please don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you like this information. So don't forget to like this video. Whenever you write something nice in a comment, you send me a heart, then I feel that I have earned my viewers. Whenever you write a nice comment, I feel very happy or get inspiration. So please like the video or comment. My heart will definitely send it. Please one heart emoji send me in comment box. I have so happy. And shoes, choose the shoes, right shoes. While choosing shoes, choose according to your lifestyle. If you want to wear flat or low height shoes for daily uses, belly is a good option for public events. You can choose heavy material shoes for wedding or festivals, because you can adjust heavy shoes to wear for a short period or even improve your fashion. So, how did you like my video? Do tell me in the comment. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comments. I replied to your question, and if you have any question and you tell me what, so you tell me in, you can comment me, and please give me, send me one heart emoji of the comment box. Whenever you send me a heart in comment box, so I feel very happy and I feel so good when I have seen your comments and your heart emojis in the comment box. So I hope you like my video very much and you learned the shoes designs and footwear fashion of my channel. So if you be a trend, then subscribe my channel and like this video. And you have any question, then comment me, please comment me. And which country you have seen me in comment box. Write the comment box which country. You will easily get these shoes online, but avoid sharing your details with any fake link, fake app or anywhere to avoid online scam. Check the website thoroughly before purchasing the shoes. The more clothes play a role in improving your personality, the more shoes you pay. If you pay as much attention to clothes as you pay to your shoes, then you must be a fashion lover or have a good sense of fashion. Because there is a society of dressing sense, no one has this problem, or you too should know that the shoes should always be very comfortable or soft, because the entire weight of your body is on the feet. If you ever wear high heel, then keep in mind whether you are comfortable in such heels. Your entire body's weight rests on your heels. If you do not care, it can cause pain in your feet. When you buy sandals, slippers, shoes, always keep in mind that you will not pay any attention to them. Many girls like such shoes in which she is not comfortable at all, or in bad times she is troubled by the problem of pain in her feet. She likes the shoes only because of their color or because of their beauty, or in bad times those shoes become the cause of pain in her feet. So it is very important to choose the right shoes, because even the slight wear of shoes can cause pain in your feet by causing blisters, which will cause pain even in wearing slippers. Some girls wearing sandals are worried about removing blisters from their bad feet because they are shoes. It does not give them any comfort or damage the skin of their feet. Hence, as much as you pay attention to the design, color of the shoes, you should also pay attention to their softness. It is important to check whether these shoes are comfortable for you or not. If you like my video or have come for the first time on our channel, then you must subscribe to the channel. And you can visit my channel. You can see your favorite video from the section of my playlist on your homepage. You can tell me the comment how to design these shoes, or you will make me comment. I am waiting for your comment, or I like it very much. If you are also a fashion lover or shoes lover, watch the video till the end to see all the designs of shoes or while selecting the shoes. It is necessary to pay attention to the right size, color comfortable. Show me which shoes you like in the video. Will do as required. Shoes play a very important role in showing your personality. As much as it is necessary for girls to have makeup, bag or clothes, it is equally important to choose the right shoes. I like to wear different type of shoes even when I am in my life. When buying shoes, first of all you have to look at this fabric and material. If the material of sandal is not good, then design the shoes is also useless because that thing becomes painful. There is no point in wasting money. So you also select shoes, made is fabric, material, look good, so that the shoes are good only to look at or not comfortable at all. The fashion of wearing designer shoes have been going on since ancient times, or whether it is a child or an adult. Everywhere like to wear designer or beautiful shoes, or even in old age the fashion of footwear will never end, because footwear is as important as clothes. If fashion footwear collection attracts most of the lovers of clothes, shoes are a part of everyday life, whether in daily use or wedding or party. It is difficult to leave the house without footwear. There is no footwear in the house. It is also necessary to keep bringing new designs of footwear every day, or even in this age. The fashion of footwear can never end. To see the new footwear designs collection, so please subscribe my channel. You will get update of your fashion trend on this channel, friends. So hopefully you must have subscribed my channel, liked the video, or also clicked on the bell icon for the new video, so that you can get my video first. I hope you like this video. If you like this shoes collection, then please like my video and please subscribe my channel. I hope all the designs you liked very much. If all the designs you liked very much, please don't forget to like this video. If you like this video, I have so happy. So please subscribe my channel and like my video, and please comment me. If you have any question, then comment me, so that you can get the next video. Bye bye.